Welcome to my channel, all of you. Here I come with my new video today, and in this video we are going to solve the rest of the questions which were left in exercise 9.1. right, we have started exercise 9.1, which is based on application of trigonometry, height and distance. And in that exercise, in the last two videos I have already shown you that exercise consists 16 questions, and we have solved till question number 10 in the last two videos. So in this video I am going to solve the rest of the questions, and in this video we are going to finish that exercise. Okay, so here I come, and let's start from question number 11. So what we have in question number 11, a TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. So one canal is there, and in one bank of that canal a TV tower stands. So from a point on the other bank which is directly opposite to the tower, okay, the angle of elevation from that point of the top of the tower is 60 degree. Okay, now from another point which is 20 meter away from this point means the previous one. So another point is taken which is 20 meter away from the previous point, and from that point the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. We are required to find the height of the tower and width of the canal, and for this question figure is already provided. You can see here AB is representing tower which stands where, on one bank of the canal, and just opposite and on the opposite bank, see, a point is taken, point C, and from this point the top of the tower is seen, that is A, by making an angle of 60 degree by question. One another point is taken which is 20 meter away from the previous point, that is from the point C. So one point is taken, that is point D, which is 20 meter away from point C. Again the top of the tower is seen by making an angle of 30 degree. Your question is find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. Width of the canal means point B is on the one bank and point C is on the other bank. That means BC is representing the width of the canal. So we are required to find BC, and then we are required to find AB, height of the tower. Okay. So now, so let width BC of the canal is x meter, BC is x, and height of the tower which is AB is h. Now first use this triangle ABC, this one, first use this triangle. So here we need a relation between x and h. H is perpendicular, x is base. So which trigonometrical ratio deal with perpendicular and base? Either cot or tan. So if we use tan of 60 degree, perpendicular by base, that means AB by BC. AB is h and BC is x, and tan 60 degree from the table is root 3. So I have expressed h in terms of x. So h is equals to root 3 x. Done. Now take the bigger triangle ABD. Again we will use tan of angle 30 degree. So tan of angle 30 degree gives you AB by BD. AB is h and BD will be x plus 20. It will be BC plus CD, x plus 20, right? And again by cross multiplication h is equals to this. So from equation 1 and 2, if we equate, we will get this equation, this one, and again after cross multiplication we have 3x is equals to 20 plus x one side, so x is equals to 10 meter. So that means the width of the canal was 10 meter. And what was the height of the tower? So put the value of x in equation 1, we will get h. So height of the TV tower was 10 root 3 meter. So hope you have understood. this question. Now come to question number 13. Here we have question number 13. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. So one lighthouse is there whose height is given, and from the top of the lighthouse two ships has been seen. Now here if an observer is there on the top of the lighthouse, so where he is watching? He is watching down. So from up to down, which angle we use? We use angle of depression. So the first angle with the first ship is 30 degree and the other one is 45 degree. In the second sentence what we have, if one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse. So two ships are on the same line and they are on the same side of the lighthouse, not opposite side. What we are required to find? We are required to find what is the distance between the two ships. You can see the figure here. AB is representing AB is representing here lighthouse. So from the top of the lighthouse, that is from the point D, that is from the point A, two ships have been seen, right? Suppose this point D is the position of first ship and point C is the position of second ship, which are on the same straight line and same side of the lighthouse. See, they are on the C and D are the points which are same side of the lighthouse. They are not like this, that point C is here and point D is here, opposite side. They are on the same side. Okay. So let's see. So in the figure, AB represents a 75-meter high lighthouse. What C represent? C and D are the position of two ships, where angle of depression from the top of the tower are 45 degree and 30 degree respectively. As I told you, if we will have two angle of elevation or angle of depression, we will draw the lesser one here, right? That is why 30 degree is made at the point D. So let BC, the distance of the first ship from the foot of the lighthouse, be x, and let B to D be y. So it should be y, okay, not m. So we have to find the distance between the two ships, that means CD. We are required to find CD. So what will be CD then? CD must be BD minus BC, right? Y minus x, done. So now we have two triangles and we will use these two triangles. Now see, angle of depression was there. Okay, this first ship which is at the point C is seen by making an angle of 45 degree. So here we have 45 degree and we can write 45 degree here as well because they are alternate angle. Again the second ship is seen by making an angle of 30 degree. So this angle must be equals to this angle because they are alternate angle. So in the case of angle of depression, we need to make angle here also. Then by geometry, as they are alternate angle, we can write these two angles here. So here we have x and we know only one thing, that AB is 75. So again we need to find x first with the help of AB. So here we have perpendicular and base. So which trigonometrical ratio we need to use? Either we need to use tan or we need to use cot. So cot of 45 degree is base by perpendicular, that is BC by AB, that means x by 75, and cot 45 degree we know tan 45 degree is 1, cot 45 degree is also 1. So x is 75 meter. So if we use again the bigger triangle ABD, so cot of this angle, cot 30 degree, is equals to base by perpendicular, right? BD by AB. BD is y and AB is 75 by question, and cot 30 degree, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, cot 30 degree is reciprocal of 1 by root 3, which is root 3. So, after cross multiplication we have y 70 root 3. Now, the distance between the two ships y minus x, here we have the result. Done. Now, question number 14. Again, for question number 14, figure is already provided. But we have a 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter above the ground, from the ground. So, see the figure. Here we have one girl. See, here we have girl. Now, what she does? She spotted one balloon, and that balloon is 88.2 meter from the ground, and it is moving with the wind. Now, the angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. So, when the balloon is here, so it makes an angle with the eye of the girl as 60 degree. This full angle is 60 degree. Now, after some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. After some time, what happened? Initially the balloon was here, now it comes here, and it makes an angle of 30 degree. What we are required to find? Find the distance travelled by the balloon during the interval. It was there now, after some time. So, that time, during that time, what is the distance travelled by the balloon? We are required to find. It means this distance, right? This distance we are required to find, or this distance we are required to find. So, see, here we have, see this figure. AB is representing what? AB is a girl. When the horizontally moving balloon is at P, here point P is representing the position of the balloon initially. A girl AB, say AB is representing a girl, finds that angle A, finds angle PAC is 60 degree. This full angle is 60 degree. And at a position R, when the balloon initially it was there at the point P, now it is at the point R. In that case, it makes this angle RAD, which is 30 degree. So, we have to find the distance travel in horizontal line, that is PR or CD. This is what we are required to find. Now, see, what is PC? Tell me. This full by question was 88.2. We know this one is 1.2. So, PC must be 87, because PC is equals to PQ minus CQ. So, PQ by question it is given, height of the balloon from the ground is given, PQ. So, PQ minus CQ give you PC. So, PQ was 88.2 and PC, which is the height of the girl, 1.2. So, after subtracting we have 87 meter, which can be RD, because this one and this one both are parallel and equal. Now, see, now take this triangle ACP, that means this triangle. In this triangle, this full angle is 60 degree, right? And we know what is PC, we don't know what is AC. So, which trigonometrical we will use? We will use tan then, right. So, tan 60 degree is equals to perpendicular by base PC by AC. Tan 60 degree is root 3, PC is 87. Now, we know what is AC, but we need to find CD, right. For that, use this triangle ADR. So, in triangle ADR, this angle is 30 degree. So, again we will use tan of 30 degree is equals to this divided by this, 87 divided by AD. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Now, we know what is AD. AD is 87 root 3. Now, AD is 87 root 3, see, and A to C is 87 by root 3. We are required to find CD. So, what will be CD? CD must be AD minus AC. So, CD is equals to AD minus AC. So, after putting the value, after taking LCM and after doing rationalization of denominator, we got 58 root 3 meter. That is the answer. Now, let us do question number 15. So, in question number 15, what we have? A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A man standing at the top of that tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree, and that car is approaching where? Towards the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. So, one person is there which is standing on the top of the tower, and from that top of the tower one highway is there, and on that highway he is watching one car by making an angle of 30 degree. 6 seconds later, after 6 seconds, what happened? That car will stay there, it will move some further distance, right. So, 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Obviously, the angle of depression will change. What we are required to find? Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. From this point means where it is making 60 degree, from that point how much time it will take to reach to the bottom or foot of the tower. You can see the figure. AB is the tower, and on the top of which a man is standing. That means, at the point A, a man is there, and finds the angle of depression to the position D of the running car as 30 degree. Okay. After 6 seconds by the problem, the angle is found 60 degree at the point C. So, that means it travels this distance after 6 seconds DC, let it be x. So, let the height of the tower be h meter, CD as x, and BC which we are required to find as y. So, when car is at the point D, in that case take this triangle. Now, see, when it was at the point D, it was making which angle? It was making this angle, angle of depression 30 degree. So, this angle must be equal to this angle, alternate angle. That is why at the point D we have 30 degree. So, we will use what? Either cot or tan. Okay. So, cot of this angle, base by perpendicular, x plus y, right, divided by perpendicular, that is h, is equals to cot 30 degree. Cot 30 degree is root 3. So, x plus y is equals to root 3 h. Again, when the car is at the point C here, so again we will use cot or tan. So, cot 60 degree is equals to base by perpendicular, x by h, y by h, sorry, and cos 60 degree is 1 by root 3. So, here h is equals to root 3 y. So, we can put the value of h here, root 3 y. See, from equation 1 and 2 we have this root 3 into root 3 is 3. So, 3y, y one side. So, x is equals to 2y and y is equals to, then we are required to find y, right. Time taken to travel y, that is what the question we have. So, y is equals to x by 2. That means to travel from D to C, that is x distance, the car takes 6 seconds. Now, to travel C to B, which is half of x, it will take 3 seconds, half of 6. So, since distance x is covered in 6 seconds, distance y, that is x by 2, is covered in 3 seconds. Done. The last one, question number 16. So, in question number 16 what we have? The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points, and that 2 points are at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter, from where? From base of the tower. So, from these 2 points, 9, which is 9 meter and which is 4 meter and 9 meter from the foot of the tower, the top of the tower is seen and it makes 2 angles, and that 2 angles are complementary, and that 2 points are in the same straight line. So, that 2 angles are not given like in the previous questions we had 30 degree or 60 degree, 45 degree or 60 degree, like that, but here in the last question we have that 2 angles are complementary. We are required to prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter, that is it. So, see the figure. Here AB is the tower, AB is representing tower. So, add point C, first 4 meter and then 9 meter, right, by question. So, at a distance of 4 meter, that is at the point C, one angle of elevation is there, and let it be alpha. So, what I have written here, C and D are the 2 points distant 4 meter and 9 meter away from the base B. So, let the angle of elevation to the top of the tower from the point C be alpha, and from the point D it will be 90 degree minus alpha, because they are complementary to each other. Complementary means by adding 2 angle, sum must be 90 degree. So, if this angle is alpha, it should be 90 degree minus alpha. Now, take the smaller triangle first, triangle ABC. So, here we have H and here we have 4 base. So, which trigonometrical we will use? We will use either tan or cot. So, tan of this angle, tan of alpha, so tan alpha, tan of angle C is equals to perpendicular by base. So, it will be H by 4, done. Again use the bigger triangle, triangle ADB, this full triangle. So, tan of this angle 90 degree minus alpha, perpendicular by base, H by 9, and we know from the formula of complementary angles that tan 90 degree minus alpha is cot alpha, tan 90 degree minus theta, cot theta, right. Now, we need H only. In that case, we need to eliminate alpha from these two equations, equation 1 and 2. Now, how do we eliminate? In order to do that, first you need to know what is the relation between tan and cot. You know that both are reciprocal to each other. That means, if we multiply tan alpha with cot alpha, we will get 1. So, multiplying the corresponding sides of equation 1 and 2 we get. So, this into this, here we have, and tan alpha into cot alpha, which is 1. So, H into H is square, 9 6 are 4 9s are 36. So, h square is equal to 36, h must be plus minus 6, but since it is representing height or length, it can never be negative. So, height of the tower is 6 meter proved. So, hope you have understood this full exercise which is finished right now. What is your task is to practice all the sums, all the 16 sums by yourself, and if you will find any difficulties, please ask me, and in the next video I will come with new chapter. So, thank you for watching. Have a good day.